Are you guys gonna kick their ass? Yeah! What about you guys? You gonna get your asses kicked by them? Yeah! No! What? Did you say yes?
Yes.
Ah, you're out of the game. No, I'm kidding, man. All right, let's get this game on. Okay, you're gonna light the smoke to get the position away. Gonna clash in the middle. Holy shit! I gotta get out of the line of fire. Oh, here they all come.
Ruby got taken out twice.
It happens. Whoa, get down, get down. Oh man. Tag, tag. Nice one, Mario. They've got the pilots. Oh, shit, don't shoot me, shit. Ooh. Got him. Tagged him in. Nice. Ooh. I'd say all hell is breaking loose. There goes Saul. He's down there shooting at him. Lighting that sniper up.
He's down.
That was cool.
Let's go, let's go. Wait a minute. All right. Someone support him. Don't let him get out radar. You're on your own.
Yeah, watch out, radar. You're too far ahead. Yeah, guard him. Guard him good. Oh, I heard they hit the shield.
Yep. I told the other assassins if they die in the base,
They're gonna make a run for it. They just got to get up there to the pallet bunker. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This is freaking nuts. Can you make it? Almost.
Go!
He has to get up there. Go, 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 go.
Clear it! Clear it! Stay down.
Make sure it's clear.
Get in here!
Ready?
We lost the piece! We lost the piece to Ricky!
Wait, you guys made it. You guys made it.
We won, right? We're in.
Yeah, we made it. Oh, they're gonna try to get him. He's behind that car. Oh, I got hit right in the stomach.
Last guy's behind the car.
Throw down your gun and come out with your hands up.
You gonna go tag him in, Amanda?
What?
Go tag him in.
Send her to do it. Yeah, she's got to go up there and tag him in without getting hit. There he is. Is he still up there? Or are they tagging back in? No. They get her? Oh! Oh! I just took one. Run!
Camera guy in a really bad spot.
I'm going to move.
Okay, pull your flag up.
Uh-oh. They're moving up, and we're over here right in the crossfire.
Hey guys, count of three, cover fire. 1, 2,
They got him pinned down behind this tree.
hit, hit.
He's hit! Is that it? Tag.
I'm out of ammo anyway. Gang?
Man, they had you pinned down good. Bestow great accuracy to all airsofters.
Good. I'm live, so I'm going to move up a bit.
Lens flare. Where's the bomb at?
We need a full team.
Connor, you got ammo?
Hey, we got enough people here. Hey, not me. Not me.
Come on,
We got
guys.
enough for a push. Down, down, down. Let's go all the way back to the base.
They're down there. Ooh, right next to
Down here. Gotta move. We're gonna get shredded.
you guys are gonna get pinned down.
Yeah, guys, gotta move.
Forward team. You guys can't stay here.
And even if I'm standing next to you, they still will shoot.
Come on. Stay low and move.
Go up the hill, make your way.
Press the cover. Press the fire. Stay low, get out.
Yeah, you might want to put that on, dude.
Yeah, now that we're up here in the action, I don't care.
It's not worth getting hit.
Go down for
Firing squad. Huh,
Yeah, it hurts to get shot by 10 people at the same time.
I bet.
Hey, who gets the bomb?
Come on, guys.
Bomb, where's the bomb?
Where's the bomb?
I don't know.
I think it's up there.
It's up there. He's got it behind the. He's behind the right shield guy.
Come on.
Watch out, there's a lot of guys up to the right.
Down, down. Cover fire.
Ooh. Don't shoot me, guys.
No, keep it quick.
I'm gonna cut. Okay, now they're making a real push. Finally, you guys. You got less than 5 minutes to get that up there. Less than. Oh, you have the bomb. Less than 5 minutes to get it up there. Take them out. Hey, purple diamonds. He's got them up there.
Go, go.
Get that bomb up there.
To the right of the base. You get so close, we can't shoot you. Hey, sniper on the front. Hey, keep moving.
Go, go, go.
Run with the bomb.
Move up, move up, move up.
He's got the bomb. You're right by there, man. You got to get the bomb inside that fort. Have to.
Ben, run up to the wall and throw it over.
Right, get up there. Get up there.
Get it up there. Oh, shit. They're still waiting. 1 minute remaining. One of you guys better hurry up and get that bomb up there. There he goes. Throw it over. Throw it over. Boom. Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Did he get the flag?
Yeah.
Yeah. Flag runner go. His whole damn team is escorting him. Let's follow him.
Go on the spot. Move, move, move.
Yeah, I think Bravo's screwed, huh?
Bravo's got our flag.
Oh, they got their flag. Bravo snagged theirs.
Right there.
There they go. Wait, I gotta get down there. I can't see. Wait. Wait, I can't see. He's got the shield down there. What the heck was that? Oh, watch your step, dude. They're starting to hit close. Let me get a better angle. I'll cut out for just a minute. Where will? How come? Yeah. Maybe I'll stay on for just a second. There they go. Okay, I'm on Alpha's right flank here, and they are just kicking the living you-know-what out of the guys in the fort. It hasn't even been 10 minutes, and most of their men are already wiped out. Guys, You guys got about 2 minutes. Are they gonna get it? Here they come.
Got one guy running up.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, he's out.
They're shooting over here.
Let's fight up front now. Let's go. Who's hit? Nobody's here. I'm just saying everybody up.
There's a third guy. And we got another guy over here. He's running across. They're trying to flank from the left. Yeah, that's the only thing, the drawback about airsoft guns. Rattling BBs doesn't really make for real. They're trying to make their way up there to that fort. And they're having a tough time.
I'm laying cover and fire. Move up to the fort.
Come on.
You, no, not you guys. I'm president.
Oh.
Everybody else, go. Get up there. Get up there.
Ooh.
Guys, I can't do this up forever. Guy down.
He's dead. Game.
I'm going to move right. All right.
Go, 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 go. Trying to flank from the right and the left. Jeez, Hoss. Hose it down.
Huh?
Are you out? No. Change mags. There you go, man. Fort is clear. Fort is clear. Go. Get him up there. Get him up there. Try to stay with him without falling on my ass. They made it? They made it?
Oh, man.
Is it clear? We're walking through a ton of brush here. You got him. Nice. Good teamwork, guys. They made it. Oh.
I thought he was...
Huh?
Is it the president or what?
Yeah.
Well,
President.
banged him.
Who banged what?
He banged him once he was in here.
Oh, he died.
Someone behind the...
Bang killed him. Yeah. Man, you made it almost to the fort. Where was the bang killer?
He's behind there.
Where? Oh, yeah. Ooh, Delta moved in. We got a guy in. Oh, he got hit that fast. There's another Delta guy. Did you get hit too? Sure did. Ooh, they're all dead. Now the remaining forces must try to fight their way up there. So Delta, you got 4 guys in Delta. 5 guys, plus this guy behind there. Duck! More dead people coming in. Yeah, these guys are all smoked.
Bang, bang, bang!
Oh!
I don't think he's bang, bang things very fast.
Yep, he's rising, getting back up. I got a text message. They'll just have to wait. I'll call him back after the game.
Drew's the last one left. He was up in the tree.
Where's he at?
Yeah, there's still a guy up in the tree. Yeah, up in the...
Oh shit, they gotta get him. They forgot him. He's up in the tree. Where's he at?
On that tree in the fort.
Okay, let's cut down here. Oh, they're after him. Drew's the only one left. Ah! Holy shit. Ah! Ah, yeah. Ah, pull his guts out.
I found a gun. Believe it or not.
Hey, you found a gun? Oh, okay. That was awesome, guys.